Welcome, Monkey Mischief Classroom. Today we're going to work on regrouping with double-digit addition and subtraction. This is how I teach my students in the classroom. It's a fun way. They get excited about doing the math. So that's always fun to see. Again, I'm a lot more livelier in the classroom, so that helps. But so we'll look at the problem, and I'll look and I'll say, oh, this is subtraction, and it tells me to count down, and I have to start in the ones place. And my ones place number is 5. Bigger than 7 or smaller? And then they'll tell me smaller. So can I take 7 away from 5? And they tell me no. I go, so what do I need to do? And they tell me, knock on the neighbor's door. Right, I'm going to knock on the neighbor's door in the tens place. Hey, tens place, can I borrow a bundle of 10? What do you think the tens place is going to say? Yes. So I'm going to take a whole 10. So if we have 9 in the tens place and I take a whole bundle away, let's count and see how many is left. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I'm going to put my 8 on the top, and I'm going to give the 1 to the tens place. Now, can I take 7 away from 15? Yes, good job. So I'm going to circle the top number 15, put it in my head, and look at this sign. This sign is subtraction. It tells me to count down. So I'm going to put 15 in my head, count down 7. Ready? 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. Good job. I'm going to move to the tens place. Circle the top number 8. Put it in my head and look at this sign. This sign is subtraction. It tells me to count down. So I'm going to put 8 in my head, count down the bottom number 2. Ready? 8, 7, 6. So we started our work on the right-hand side. Now we're going to read the number from the left-hand side. Ready, Freddies? Let's go. 68. Good job. Now with addition, we're going to look and I'm going to say, okay, we're going to start in the ones place. I'm going to circle the top number 4 and put it in my head and look at this sign. This sign is addition. It tells me to count up. So I'm going to put 4 in my head, count up the bottom number 6. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Uh-oh. Can I write 10 in the ones place? No. What do I need to put in the ones place? A 0. Good job. What happens to the 1? I got to carry it over and give it to my neighbor. Here you go. Then I'm going to start at the top. I'm going to circle the top number 1. Put it in my head and look at this sign. This sign is addition. It tells me to count up. So I'm going to put 1 in my head, count up the bottom number 1. Ready? 1, 2. Now I have 2 in my head. I'm going to put 2 in my head and count up the bottom number 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. So we started on the right-hand side to solve the problem. Now we're going to read the number from the left-hand side. Ready, Freddies? Let's go. 50. Good job. Good work.